Financial investigations can be daunting, especially when dealing with large volumes of data. Recently, the Pandora Papers leak has demonstrated the importance of data analytics in financial investigation. But how can investigators efficiently organize such large volumes of financial data? The key is to adopt a systematic approach to the data organization process, which begins with identifying the data sources and categorizing the information obtained. Investigators should gather all relevant information from sources such as bank statements, financial transactions, emails, and other digital footprints. It is essential to categorize the data based on its relevance to the investigation and significance level. OCR software solutions help in data extraction but are low in accuracy and do not organize the extracted information systematically. However, advanced software solutions like ScanWriter can extract all the information from financial documents automatically, with 100% accuracy, organize extracted data systematically in Excel sheets, process documents in bulk, whether it's check images, bank statements, or any other, sort documents and data into relevant categories. Once the data is prepared, investigators can analyze it using various tools and techniques. Advanced analytics can assist investigators in uncovering hidden patterns. For example, automated data visualizations like flow of funds can significantly enhance speed and accuracy, especially while following the money to trace assets. Moreover, investigators need to be able to work collaboratively as a team. Sharing information and insights can reduce the workload and improve the quality of the investigation. This is possible only if the software offers case management capabilities. Further, data visualizations can assist investigators in presenting complex data in an easily understandable format, making it easy. Organizing and analyzing large volumes of financial data can be challenging. However, by adopting a systematic approach, utilizing data analytics tools, and working collaboratively, investigators can efficiently organize and analyze data to uncover valuable insights and solve complex financial investigations. Thank you for watching. Contact us for an in-person ScanWriter demo.